Hey guys, so recently I was thinking about Gary over at HVAC Know-It-All, and he made some great content about the Smart Seal and how it works with water, showing everybody that it's an oil-based. Then I started thinking about the Smart Seal and how does it work with air, because everybody talks about how the Smart Seal is going to get into refrigeration systems, it's going to clog up the cap tubes, and it's going to clog up small little tiny lines and tubing, like going out to your pressure switches. It's going to plug up evaporator coils and TXVs. And, I've been doing some reading about it. And it's, they've had millions and millions of leaks that they have permanently sealed in the air conditioning refrigeration industry, including mass transit, cold storage, shipping, appliances, and automotive. It says that the Smart Seal products install in second without any special tools. It will not react with air or moisture, which ensures that TXVs, cap tubes, and pistons will never plug. So I thought, well, let's go ahead and try this guy out and let's see what it really does. So here's the Smart Seal and how it shows up inside the tube. And I'm going to unscrew the cap right here. And we're going to squeeze this guy out right here so you can see what it looks like. Here it's all out. You can see it here. And it's oil. It's an oil-based product. It's not, if you can look right here on my finger, it's oil is what it is. It even smells like refrigerant oil. So I'm going to leave this guy sitting here for 24 to 48 hours. I'm going to let it sit right here. And we will return to come back and take a look at it and see what's actually going on and see if it's actually dried up. And we'll splice the videos together and we'll see how she did. So I'll check in with you next time. Okay, so we are back 24 hours later. And you can look right here at the oil. This is actually the Smart Seal. The Smart Seal has actually spread itself out pretty big from what I originally just squirted into the spot. But I'm going to show you that it has still stayed liquefied. And that is because it is an oil-based product. And you can see it right there how it's liquefied and it stayed. And that's because, it's, like I said, it's petroleum based. So the theory about how the Smart Seal will sit, you can see it right here, will sit and dry out and plug up cap tubes when it's exposed to air or oxygen or something gets in the system or on the outside of the system. That is not true. And the Smart Seal has actually stayed liquefied, and that's just because of the design of it. So this is a pretty good test. It went 24 hours. I was watching it over time. You can see it right here in the video, how it's still in a liquid state. I've been watching it the last 24 hours move around on this metal pan, and I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. So you can check this out. It's Smart Seal. This is the high performance leak stop. This is a 0.20 ounce tube. Will treat up to 6 tons. There's a UV dye and a cool enhancer as well. It's compatible with all refrigerants, and that is the Quick Shot by Smart Seal. So you can check them out. Definitely a good product. You can check them out at coolairproducts.net. That is coolairproducts.net. As always, work safe, be good humans. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me through hvacreeferguy@gmail.net.